In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable automatic updates in Windows 11 quickly and easily. First, open the Start menu on your PC, type in Services, and open the Services app from the search results. Once the Services window opens, scroll down until you find Windows Update. Double-click on it to open its settings. Next, locate the Startup Type option and change it from Manual to Disabled. Then click Apply. After that, head over to the Recovery tab at the top. Under First Failure, select Take No Action, then click Apply again, followed by OK. Now, open the Windows Update service one more time. If the service status says Running, click the Stop button to disable it completely. Finally, press OK, and automatic updates will now be turned off on your Windows 11 computer. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.